trim of the rear door of a 2008 Honda CR-V. Third generation. First, we need to unscrew the handle, as it's firmly attached to the door itself. Here, we need to unclip 2 latches, with 2 screws underneath. There's a special slot on this side where we insert a thinner screwdriver. Unclip it, and then carefully, slowly, so as not to damage the plastic. Here, inside, we have 2 10mm socket head bolts. That's it, the handle is free, it's not really in the way. Next, we remove the central part under the rear brake light. Either on this side or this side, using a spudger. It's generally best to always use plastic spudgers, as this will damage the plastic less and keep everything in place. Here, we have clips. Unclip this side. Dot. Until you hear a distinctive click. Then we have a couple of clips further down. Like this, there are peculiar clips on the edges. 2 central ones, and then there are the fasteners that attach to the headlight itself. Remove the rear tail light, remove the side panels. One and the other, the side trims. They are also on clips, on one side. Pull yourself up. Two clips, on this one, on this side, here they are, on this one. Start by dismantling, press a little here and carefully pull them out of this groove, so as not to break these fasteners, one and the other, which connect to the main plastic panel. Remove the second panel in the same way. Once and somewhere around here there is another latch. That's it. One clip remains in place, meaning it will need to be removed later. This is where it breaks off. Again. These are consumables, so it happens. It's no big deal. They're inexpensive. If you buy them as a set, they'll cost pennies. We remove the clip with a little effort. We pull it out, and the top panel comes out completely on clips. Start from one side, depending on where it's easiest, where it gives way. And here it is. Check. Then we move from this side. Dot. Vinto cards. There are clips around the perimeter here. All of them remain in place, all intact. Only one remains in place somewhere. But removing them is no problem, and putting them back is easy. Removing the plastic panel was intended to contain the rust. That appears right under the license plate light. The sign is on both sides, and they're attached via clips. This is also a problem, especially since the car is 208. This happens. It's better to inspect and pinpoint the issue first, then replace the entire door later. Plus, we have access to the windshield wiper. All its locations and its connections. Then we have access to either inspecting or replacing it. It's also advisable to inspect the door lock, lubricate it, and check that it's working properly. Washer here. Window.